Welcome everyone, you're on the Samsung Galaxy S23, you've forgotten your passcode, so let's do a factory reset without using the passcode. And to do this is you must connect the phone to either another Android phone, a Windows or Mac computer, or an iPhone or iPad. If you connect to the power outlet, recovery mode won't work. If you don't connect the phone at all, recovery mode won't work. I want to show the key combination. Let's enter the recovery mode together. So first of all, we're going to click to wake the phone. Then we're going to press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds. We're going to release power and volume down and then press and hold power and volume up until we see the Samsung logo when we release. Let's do this together. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. Click the power button to wake. Press and hold power and volume down together. Keep these two held down. I'm going to start counting now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down. Any second now we see the Samsung logo. Let's wait for the Samsung logo. We see the Samsung logo. We release power and volume up. If the screen goes black, press power and volume up again until you see the Samsung logo again, then release both buttons and repeat that until we see the Android recovery. In the Android recovery, you have the volume down to go down, volume up to go up, the touch doesn't work, and you click the power button here to select your option. So we need to go all the way down. So we'll click power volume down, keep on clicking until we see the wipe data / factory reset. And we'll click the power button to select. From here, I want you to click the volume down button until you see factory reset and click the power button to select. Your phone will then factory reset. I'm not going to do this, but if you do this, sometimes the Android will go to this screen of recovery. Just click power to reboot system now, and then the phone is going to factory reset and everything will be as it was brand new. It may ask you to enter in your old Google or Samsung account, and with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.